So we promised you a change of scenery, so we left the mountain and now we are in County Limerick, and we're visiting two friends of ours who we've known for a number of years, and they are doing up a thatched cottage.
And it's beautiful.
It's spectacular, in fact. And so we're getting a little sneak peek. It's not done yet, but they have made so much progress, and we were lucky because we were involved in it right from the start. Like, they pulled us in really early.
Yeah, right when after it was purchased, we came over and it was like damp and cold, and we helped take things down. There were really some precious pictures and different things, and we helped them take it down and save some stuff and help them start the project.
Not all of it was glamorous though, because there was linoleum on the floor, and you pulled that up, and there was just all kinds of moisture, and that was holding it up. It was really interesting to see, because also like the wallpaper in the one bedroom, there was like over 100 years worth of wallpaper,
several layers
there. So it was really nice. So we're having tea in here today, and our friends aren't on camera right now. We're gonna wait a little while and introduce you to them later, just because they want to be a little farther along and be able to really talk about it.
But in the meantime, we get to sit here and enjoy this cup of tea, and I'm telling you, this beautiful, beautiful space.
And what do you remember most from that first visit?
I remember there were a lot of like some really old artifacts. I think an elderly man lived here and had passed away.
Kieran, right?
Kieran was, I think it was the Kieran. And there was some. One of the funniest things I remember is in the sitting room, there was a picture of, it was either Zsa Zsa Gabor or Eva Gabor, and it was like out of a magazine. But it was just such one of those really surprising things.
And he had lived here with his sister, so it may have been something that she had.
Oh yeah, totally.
Collected.
I mean, it was.
And then there was all kinds of little, also like a lot of holy pictures as well, and little statues. Found little purses with little coins in them.
There's some coins.
The old money.
The old money, the
so that was fun. And then the Melting Mary.
The Melting Mary. There was a plaster statue of Mary, and it had obviously, just with moisture, the features had kind of melted off, and it had been repainted several times. But it's just a really unique piece.
Yeah, somebody cared about it enough to keep it up, so we just felt like it can't go in the garbage, or it can't just go in the dumpster. This is like, it was important to somebody.
Yeah. Well, and Kieran, who lives here, he obviously loved this place. He loved this place. It had a beautiful thatched roof on it that had been maintained, and I think in the long term it had to be completely redone. But it was beautiful, and they still went back to the thatch. So we have gorgeous thatch roof here.
I think seeing how much this place has changed just makes it's unbelievable how much work they put into this, and in a relatively short period of time.
Yeah, absolutely. I hope you show some of the befores and afters, because it's amazing.
I will. We're not going to have much for afters right now, because it is still a construction site, so everything's kind of in the mix. Although this kitchen is pretty far along. It's kind of at the decating stage.
And speaking of the kitchen, I mean, you have to remember, when this gentleman Kieran lived here, there was no indoor plumbing. There was no kitchen. His bedroom, he had a mattress of straw. Now we're talking old style there, a mattress of straw, which was taken out and probably restuffed every year. So to know that you're in this beautiful space with this gorgeous kitchen
and underfloor heating, it's like so nice in here.
Stop the underfloor heating. If I could go back and do that in my place, it'd be underfloor heating.
Yeah, it's really nice. so like warm and cozy in here. We'll take you along. Maybe we'll show more later when they're a little farther along. But we're here. They're letting us check it out. We spent kind of some time with them, and it's a nice break after the snowstorm to be able to get away, just kind of be able to relax.
Yep.
And we were relaxing before this, but it's nice to relax with like a different group of people and in a different environment, and with everything so like upgraded from what it was.
Yeah, I mean, there's going to be beautiful cottage gardens that are in process that are going to be.
We'll give you a little peek, because they put in some raised beds last year and grew wildflowers and things. So remember, it's winter right now, so everything looks rough. But we'll give you just a quick glimpse of what the outside looks like. But I know that this is just for you guys, because I know they're trying to get the place all in tip-top shape for the spring, so they're not really showing too much until then. But we'll sneak out there.
But to be honest, I'm ready to move in right now.
Yeah. Let's pop outside here. So here she's got her raised beds, and so she had it with wildflowers over the summer. But it was absolutely gorgeous. I love the rocks right around here too. And remember, this is winter. This is looking really, really rough. They haven't done anything. Now I'm going to turn around and give you a peek at the house. Look at how beautiful everything is over here. look at this place. Now remember, it hasn't been whitewashed or anything like that, but this is a gorgeous house. And look, I love how the thatch has that beautiful roof line. There's a name for that. Liam knows what it is. But this is going to be such a wonderful little place. And look at, they saved a couple of trees. When we were here before, this was all overgrown. They have done so much work on this place.